and welcome to Megger's Technical Support video series, Frequently Asked Questions. In this video, we will discuss how to perform manual ramping in RTMS software. Now let's get started. To perform manual ramping, first you may select channels for ramping. The ramping configuration button appears as two cursor keys. If you are using a handheld display or a touchscreen built in, then it would look like an STVI. Next, you select what you want to ramp and the increments you want to ramp. You want to ramp amplitude, phase, frequency, but we're going to do amplitude today. We're going to do all three channels, and we will select 0.1 per increment. This could be a click on the wheel mouse, or it could be a touch of the cursor key. Accept the changes. Notice that the channels selected for ramping are now ringed in blue. So we select the channels we need to ramp, and we need to select how much current we are starting with. Our relay is set for 9 amp pickup, so we'll enter a value slightly less than 9 amp pickup, 8.5. And we're going to use the balance key to prevent us from having to enter 8.5 3 times. Next, we need to configure how to monitor the relay contact. By default, input 1 is used as trip. We also want to disable the latch, and we want to turn off or disable the auto off feature. Remember, auto off is voltage and current being turned off by default. But for what we're doing today, we're going to have it disabled. Now we just simply press the power button. All three currents will begin injecting. And now with the wheel mouse, I can begin rolling up toward pickup. Yes, it's kind of a coarse ramp, but for demonstration it's fine. And there's the final pickup. We can roll it down if we want to, see it come open, and then go back up and confirm our point where it closed. And our test is complete. And the process would be the same if you were choosing to ramp voltage. This concludes the presentation on how to perform manual ramping in RTMS software. Thank you for watching this video. Visit the Megger YouTube channel for more videos including technical webinars, product overviews, and other how-to presentations similar to this one. Contact us for questions or more information about this topic, or for any support you may need for your electrical testing.